Let's start in this question. You can see it's easy level question, and this question just come out last week. So and then you can see in the count substring that satisfy k constraint. So there are two condition. We need to count the number of zero in the in the string is at most k. The number one is string is at most k. So they have two conditions we need to count. We need to count the number of one and the zero. And then, so actually in this question, we need to find out the owner substring that satisfy the k constraint. Now, how to do this question? Actually, we can use slide window, and then so first step we need to find all the possible substring which satisfy the k constraint, right? Now here, so we can use the two for loop to find all the substring, and then make sure we need to check each substring which is satisfy k string. That's my solution. Now first we have ones, but we need to count how many ones in the substring, right? The zeros, and then we also need to return total. Here we need to know how many total substring, how we just return it. Now we have the for loop, and then now we have a second for loop. The second for loop start from I let's name here. So for example here, for example here, so first step we need to count we need to start from, you can understand here. Okay, we know we need to start the first character, right? Now one, we know the k is one. The one it just occur one time, but here say k m most k, so it's fine. It's still just equal to k, right? So I would say in the sub, because one character can be character can be in the value substring which satisfy the k, right? Now one, even though, and I would say here, okay, one occur one time, and the zero occurred zero time. But we know here this is satisfied, the substring is satisfied in the k string. So now we just say increase the total by one. Now we need to check in the second one. Second, we need to add the second character to the previous substring. We need to append this character to the substring, and now we have 1 0. Now 1 0, here we need to increase 0 by 1. Now we know the both number 1 and 0 occur one time, so now we still satisfy the k constraint. Right now AB, now we need to append one more character to the substring. Now we know here, you can observe they have one occur two times, zero occur one time is not valid. So now we need to, the currently we just only two. The total is 2. Now how to do next step? Next step we cannot expand the window. You can understand it's window. Now we know here just only 3 characters, but we already know the substring is not valid, so we cannot keep expanding the window. We need to stop being here, right? Even though we expand the window, now 1 still here. So you can see in the 0, now we have 2 0 and 2 1. So now that's why we cannot expanding. It's still invalid. Now we know in the first time we start from the first character. Actually in the second time we can start from the second character. We can expand the window. Now we know 1 occur one time, the 0 occur one time, 1 occur 0 times. So now we know it's satisfy the k constraint. Now we're expanding the window, and 0 occur one time, 1 occur one time. Okay, still satisfy the window, right? Or satisfy the k constraint, and then we just keep up expanding. Now we know, okay, 0 occur 2 times, so we know we need to stop in here, and now we just count how many substring we have. Now next time we need to start from this the third character. Just we just keep proceeding this way and find all the substring, and then we need to count how many substring that satisfy the k constraint. So sorry I taught a lot. Hopefully you can understand. Now here we need to check the j if equal to 0. Okay, we know need to once equal by 1. Now here we do the same thing here. Oh, okay, so it's not 1, it's 0. Right, zeros. Now if once let's name k, let's equal k over the zeros, let's name equal to k. Okay, we know we need to total. We know the substring is total. Otherwise, we just break. If the both condition, we know here is I using the OR operation, right? If we cannot run this operation, which means it's the both 1 over 0 over exceed the limit, k limit. So that's what we need to break. We need to start from next character. We need to start from the second character and the third character to find all the substring which satisfy the k constraint. Now, finally, after we finish this one, we need to redefine the ones equal to 0 and zeros equal to 0. Now let's run it. Oh, wow. Oh, sorry, here's VJ. Now you can see part owner test case. Okay, even though it's not a most efficient way, but I can see it's fine. Now I would say the time complexity is b of n squared, and the space complexity is b of 1 because I didn't use extra memory here. So thank you for watching this video.